What's going on, guys? Harrison here from Gundog Armory. Today we have brought you a pretty cool one. This is the Honey Badger. This is in 300 blackout. We do have about, I think, 4 or 5 rounds of subsonic. It is suppressed. The cool part about this one is we made it full auto. I've been working on it a couple days now. It's a little tricky, but we got it. We're gonna go ahead and put 4 rounds through it. We're just gonna go straight full auto because we already know to shoot semi. Backwards. Off his paw. And that's it, trying to cycle subs. There you go. Honey Badger, full auto. Get you one.